Welcome to EQAI Morning Briefing for September 6th. I'm your host, and today we've got a jam-packed episode filled with the latest news and trends that you need to know. So, let's dive right in. First up, there's a significant migration happening among young, wealthy Americans. Despite their high incomes, many are leaving expensive states like California and flocking to more affordable southern states, with Florida being a top destination. This trend highlights the growing challenges of high living costs in certain states, even for those with substantial incomes. In financial news, Vaxcyte Inc. saw its stock dip 3% after completing a $1.42 billion stock offering. This move is expected to generate significant proceeds, but has also caused some immediate market jitters. Switching gears to sports, the Kansas City Chiefs have emerged as the NFL's current dynasty, winning 3 of the last 5 Super Bowls. Despite their on-field success, they're only the 18th most valuable team in the league at $6.07 billion. It's a curious case of success, not translating directly to financial valuation. Speaking of financial planning, a staggering 89% of American workers plan to continue working after retirement. Whether out of necessity or choice, this statistic underscores the evolving nature of retirement in America. Jim Cramer has highlighted 10 things to watch in the stock market today, especially with the August jobs report falling short of expectations. And on the topic of the Federal Reserve, New York Fed President John Williams has stated that it's time to cut interest rates as inflation trends down sustainably towards the 2% target. In more somber financial news, Broadcom's stock is selling off, but analysts suggest it might be a good time to buy, given VMware's strong performance and a positive AI outlook. Nobel laureate Joseph Stiglitz is urging the Fed to implement a substantial rate cut, irrespective of the jobs data. He believes it's crucial to move borrowing costs back towards normal levels after a long period of historically low rates post-2008 financial crisis. Meanwhile, the Green Bay Packers stand out as the NFL's only publicly owned team, ranking 12th on CNBC's 2024 NFL Team Valuations list. It's a unique structure in a league dominated by privately held franchises. Oil prices are experiencing a significant weekly drop due to demand concerns, while bond yields dipped ahead of the crucial U.S. jobs report, adding another layer of complexity to the economic outlook. In corporate news, Salesforce has announced a $1.9 billion acquisition of OwnSauchu, a data security startup. This move is expected to enhance Salesforce's cloud capabilities significantly. On the stock market front, Nvidia's CEO Jensen Huang has sold over $633 million in stock since June. And speaking of stocks, Jim Cramer advises investors to play the waiting game until the Fed makes its next move, emphasizing the importance of patience in these volatile times. Small-cap stocks may not be getting much love in ETF flows, but Rob Arnott sees them as underdogs worth paying attention to. Meanwhile, the US dollar faces more downside risk ahead, especially after its sharp decline in August. In entertainment news, Kanye West has finally sold his Malibu home, designed by Tadao Ando, but at a staggering $36 million loss after leaving it gutted and exposed to the elements. And turning to international news, Hong Kong Stock Exchange canceled morning trading due to a typhoon alert, signaling the unpredictable nature of global markets. In a more personal finance story, many Americans worry their savings won't last through retirement. We have a calculator to help you figure out how much you'll need to save to ensure a comfortable retirement. Lastly, in tech news, Tesla is planning to roll out its full self-driving FSD software in Europe and China next year, pending regulatory approval. This could be a game changer for the electric vehicle market. That's all for today's EQAI Morning Briefing. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to join us again for the latest updates and insights. Stay informed and have a great day.